Hey everyone, hope you're doing good. Today the tool that I'm going to share it's called Workflowy, and this is a tool which I use for taking notes. So I take all kind of notes in this tool, be it a shopping list, a meeting notes, my personal to-do list, whatever I can think of for taking notes. I use this tool for and I'll just take an example of how easy and powerful it is to create notes here. So let's say I have to create a meeting notes here. So meeting XYZ, and then I can just indent it and I can write notes for the meeting. So let's say connect on something, take take care of take care of XYZ, follow up on something, you know. So I can take these notes and then I can even nest it further. So let's say in follow up, I can say A, B, C, D, E, F, and so on. And I can take this nesting to any level. So this is this much of uh, power it has, and I can easily navigate. So let's say I have to go, let's say collapse this. So I can do all of these with keyboard shortcuts. So I can collapse, I can expand, and I can go further down to that particular one. I can even go I can even create this as a top level node. So I can go here and then I can start taking notes on this, right? So follow uh, do XYZ, and that nesting continues, right? And I can even go back. So here, and I can again go back to where I came from. So this is the level of nesting that I get with this. I can even collapse it and I can even move this. So if I have to move this particular item up, I can do some like this. Similarly, I can mark items as done as well. So for that, this is the list of activities that I can perform. So if you see here, I can mark it as a complete, and I can further mark it as incomplete. And I have a whole list of activities which I can do even from mouse or by using the keyboard shortcut. So I can add a node on top of this. I can duplicate this. I can do a whole bunch of stuff that I'll be discussing. So I get infinite level of nesting, and one of the powerful features of this is I can share any of these nodes with anyone as a public link. So even if a person does not have an account on Workflowy, they can still access my notes. So I can just go here, click this share button, and I can say enable link sharing. So I can specify the full access or I can specify only for viewing. So when I specify this, I can copy this link and I can share this with a person and they can open and view this note exactly how I am viewing it. So that's another good feature, powerful feature of this workflow. Um, then I can convert the nodes to bullets and vice versa. So right now you're seeing this is a bullet structure. I can even convert this into what we call as a board. So if you say this, these were the top level items, and then I have kind of a to-do list inside each of them. So I can convert this to a board or back to bullet, right? So this is another feature that we have with this. Um, then uh, I have templates as well for this. So if I go into a bit up, let's say this, and then I can find the templates. So I can um, use any of these templates. So for example, I can just open this one, and then I can open this to-do board. So now I got a cool to-do board which I can use it anytime for adding my to-do list. So for I can add, so item 1, item 2, I can easily move the items for what I plan to do. It's just drag and drop like this, and I can even mark them to done just by simply dragging and dropping here. So I can even move this to the board to my home by moving it, let's say, here. Now I can access it from anywhere. So this is my navigation where it has been added and I can access it. So yeah, these are some of the cool features that I find very convenient with Todoist. Now, initially, when you sign up, you will get around 250 bullet points per month. So I have been using this for last 3 years, and that limit got filled only a couple of times for me. So that 250 bullet points per month is sufficient mostly. But if you are into taking a lot of notes, and here is a trick to get unlimited bullet points. So you can create email accounts, and then you can create workflow account with your invite code, and for every invite, for every account that you create, you'll get 100 bullet points in your original account. So with two extra accounts, you'll get around 450 bullet points, and that is, I think, more than enough for most of the purposes. So I'll be sharing the link of Workflowy in the description. You can follow that link and create your account and start taking notes. Um, and please comment how do you like this tool, for what purposes you're using it. I'll be glad to see your comments. And if needed, I can make another video on going deep dive into all other features that I find really helpful uh, in the workflow. So thanks for watching. Take care.